Hey, what's good, y'all, man? I'm getting back to work on La Rosa. It's been a while. It's been, 2-3 months since I got to even touch it. Unfortunately, my frame was left out in the rain, up in the weather, so it's got some surface rust and everything now. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the reinforcements where I still need to weld. I'm gonna go ahead and weld them, and then I'm gonna send it out, get it blasted and everything. But yeah, I'm excited, man. The car show season is about to start. I'm getting pumped, man. I know I'm not gonna be able to hit any of the shows this year, but you know what I mean? I'm gonna go spectate, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna get back to work on this. So yeah, holla at y'all. So I just got all the reinforcement placed, grind it down with a brush wheel so I have a clean surface to weld to. I'm not really concerned on how my welds look right now. I'm trying to build up as much weld as I can on them. That way when I get it back from the sandblaster, I can go ahead and smooth everything down, make it look good. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start welding all this stuff up so I can get this done. All right, I'm back, y'all. I got the reinforcement plates welded solid all the way around the frame. I'm thinking about going ahead, building up the welds in places, smoothing it down, cleaning it up a little bit before I even take it to get it blasted. I just got some new tools, came in yesterday. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try them out because they'll help me clean up the frame. And I'm kinda anxious to use them, you know what I mean? It's like a new toy. But yeah, I'll holler at y'all. Peace.